Hi, I'm Dr. David Cunningham, owner and medical director at Infinity Health and Body in Mansfield, Massachusetts, just south of Boston. I would say that the way that the OMNIWave has impacted my practice, having used regenerative medicine and medical shockwave for 6 years, is that it's significantly improved the efficiency and the effectiveness of the treatments. So I have had multiple patients who have done treatments with prior machines and other modalities that I've used come back for treatments with the OMNIWave, and they've already seen a greater response even after 1 or 2 treatments, and greater satisfaction during the treatment, less pain, less need for any kind of anesthetic or any kind of numbing, and just a much more pleasant experience. Most patients leave feeling like they've already gotten some benefit, especially with the musculoskeletal applications. In the past, in order to get the best results for my patients, particularly for pain management and musculoskeletal issues, I've used a number of different treatments, including electromagnetic transduction, shockwave, radial pressure, and deep tissue laser. What I'm finding is that the clinical outcomes I'm getting with the OMNIWave can be as good as that combination of therapies with just the OMNIWave. The combination of high power and high rise time of the electrohydraulic technology means that we can get those efficient treatments in without discomfort. And patients are seeing increases in range of motion of their hips and shoulders and knees, and reduced pain of whatever we're treating, even after just a few treatments. So I would say that the outcomes that we're seeing are really pretty remarkable in terms of the effectiveness, the efficiency, and um, the, the quality of the experience that patients have. So over my 6 years in regenerative medicine, I've used a wide variety of modalities. Everything from electromagnetic transduction to deep tissue laser to other versions of focused and radial pressure shockwave. I can't stress how impressed I am with the OMNIWave in terms of it being a complete package. You can get very high levels of energy delivered in a short period of time with great tolerability. You don't need to numb up patients, you don't need to prep them, you don't need to pre-medicate them with anything. There's no downtime afterwards. So from a clinical outcomes perspective, this is huge. Whether you have 6 other modalities in your practice or this may be your first, this is a phenomenal way to get excellent outcomes, whether it be sexual health, aesthetics, musculoskeletal, neuro pain, like neuropathy type of pain management as well. Really impressive unit to use for all of those indications. Super efficient. You can train just about anybody in your practice to use this. It's a class 1 medical device, so you don't have to have an MD or an NP or a PA running this. So that's great if you have a busy practice and you want to cross-train everybody. It's also super easy to service. Everything from the software upgradable to changing out the spark plug to servicing the head unit. Take the head unit off, you change out the spark plug within probably about 45 seconds total. It's a beautiful design, it's well made, it's rugged. I've been using it now for several months, and it's as close to foolproof a device as I've seen in my years of regenerative medicine using multiple modalities, and I can't recommend it highly enough. Even having a busy regenerative medicine practice, it really made some major changes in my patterns and my protocols. I hope you guys consider it, and happy to answer additional questions.